How to invest in crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet and today I'll guide you on how you can invest in crypto.com. Now, the process itself actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. Now, investing basically means buying or spending your money on it, right? So investing in crypto.com means investing your money on crypto. Now, here is how you can buy crypto or how you can invest on crypto.com. First thing first, on the home page of your screen you'll get the buy option. If you do not get it there, if you do not get the buy icon as you can see on the screen right here, at the bottom you'll find the crypto.com logo. There you can see their home wallet and you can see the logo and track and card. You want to simply tap on the logo option there and you'll get an interface somewhat like this. As you can see on the screen, at the bottom you'll find buy option just above the cross icon. You want to simply tap on the buy option there, and once you tap on buy you'll get the list of cryptocurrencies available there. You want to simply select a cryptocurrency that you wish to purchase or buy, that you want to invest in. Then once you tap on it there on the crypto detail page, the crypto detail that you select the crypto, then you'll get their buy, sell and transfer option. You want to simply tap on buy, go ahead with the payments, but before doing that make sure to add funds to your wallet or make sure to add a payment method, so this way you can invest in crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.